If you want to withdraw money from Whop without using Stripe or PayPal, this guide will show you the built-in payout options that let you cash out directly, depending on your country. In many cases, you can withdraw to your local bank account through ACH, wire transfer, or SEPA, and in some regions, you may also have the option to cash out via crypto. The best part is that you can do all of this right inside Whop without relying on the usual third-party consumer wallets. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's walk through it. First, open Whop and make sure you are on the home feed. From there, look up to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you'll see the Finance section. Click Finance, then find the Verify Your Identity area and click Verify. This step is required because Whop needs to confirm your identity before it unlocks payouts and lets you withdraw your balance. Now, you'll be taken into the verification flow. The first part is the personal information check. You'll need to enter your legal name, your business type, your phone number, and your physical address. Make sure everything matches your official information exactly, because payout systems can fail or get delayed if your details don't match your ID. Once you've filled everything out, click Continue. Next, get your government-issued photo ID ready. This can usually be a passport or driver's license, as long as it is valid and physical, not a screenshot or a copy. On the desktop screen, Whop will show you a QR code. Scan that QR code with your phone camera so the verification process can move to your mobile device. This is important because the live camera steps are usually easier and more secure on your phone. After you scan the code, follow the prompts on your phone. You'll be asked to take a clear photo of your ID document and then complete a liveness check. That means looking directly into your front-facing camera and following the movement instructions on screen. Keep your face well lit, remove anything that blocks your features, and make sure the ID is readable. If the photo is blurry or the lighting is bad, the verification can fail. So take your time here. Once you've completed the scans, review your information carefully and submit everything. When the verification is approved, your payout options should unlock, allowing you to withdraw through the available methods supported in your region. If you see bank transfer options like ACH, wire, or SEPA, that means you can route your earnings straight to your local bank account. If crypto payout is available in your area, you can use that instead. The exact options depend on where you live and how Whop has configured payouts for your account. Now, if you also want to add a customer billing payment method on Whop, here's how to do that. This is useful if you plan to buy services, pay for subscriptions, or save a card on your account. Start by clicking your profile icon again in the top right corner. Then click the gear icon located just to the right of your profile name to open Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, look at the sidebar and click Payment Methods. This opens your Manage Payment Methods page. Under the Your Payment Methods section, click the plus Add Payment Method button. A form will appear where you can enter your card details. Type in your card number, expiration date, CVC security code, and the billing zip or postal code linked to that card. Double-check the details before saving, because even one wrong digit can cause the payment method to fail. Once everything looks good, click Add to save the card to your account. And that's it. You've now gone through the identity verification process needed for withdrawals, and you also know how to add a billing payment method inside Whop. If you were looking for a way to withdraw money from Whop without Stripe or PayPal, this is the path to follow through Whop's built-in payout system. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.